Second facts. What if I told you that there's a place in America where the temperature can get so hot that an egg could cook on the ground? That place is Death Valley, California, which holds the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth.
134 degrees Fahrenheit.
Speaking of extremes, Alaska is the largest U.S. state. It's so big that if Texas were divided in half, both halves would still be smaller than Alaska. And here's something even crazier. Alaska has more coastline than all the other U.S. states combined. Now let's talk about one of America's most famous landmarks, the Statue of Liberty. Most people think it was built in the United States, but it was actually a gift from France in 1886 over time. Its copper surface reacted with the air and turned green. So yes, the Statue of Liberty wasn't originally green at all. Did you know that the United States has no official language at the federal level? While English is the most widely spoken language, there is actually no national language written into federal law. Here's a fact that sounds impossible. The state of Montana has 3 times more cows than people. Imagine driving 4 hours and seeing more cattle than humans. Now let's head underground. Beneath Kentucky lies Mammoth Cave, the longest cave system in the world. More than 400 miles of passages have been explored, and scientists believe there are still many sections waiting to be discovered. Have you ever wondered why New York is called the Big Apple? Surprisingly, the nickname started with horse racing in the 1920s. It later became one of the most famous city nicknames in the world. America is also home to some incredible natural wonders. The Grand Canyon is so massive that it can be seen from space. It stretches for 277 miles and reveals nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history. Here's a strange one. In the U.S. state of Oregon, there is a lake called Crater Lake. It is the deepest lake in the United States and is so clear that visibility can reach over 100 feet underwater. Now for a fact about money. The first president of the United States, George Washington, never lived in the White House. The White House wasn't completed until after his presidency ended. Speaking of presidents, Theodore Roosevelt was once shot before giving a speech. Instead of going straight to the hospital, he delivered a speech that lasted nearly 90 minutes before seeking medical help. Let's talk about space. The first humans to walk on the moon were part of NASA's Apollo 11 mission. When Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface in 1969, over 600 million people watched the event around the world. Here's a fun food fact. Americans eat billions of hamburgers every year. In fact, hamburgers are one of the most popular foods in the country, with millions consumed every single day. Now imagine this. The United States has over 4 million miles of roads. That's enough pavement to circle the Earth more than 160 times.